I'm Adam Finley. I'm a solutions architect here at InfStones. So we are a blockchain infrastructure platform really focused on node management. And the biggest differentiator, I would say, with our platform and some of our competitors is that we're really focused on just use, speed, and scalability. So being able to spin up 1, 20, 100, 1,000 Ethereum nodes with the click of a few buttons and bringing that up and having fully synced within a few hours is kind of our bread and butter. We also have an API gateway, so you need a stable endpoint, public or private endpoint. That's going to be highly performant, and then we have non-custodial staking as well. So we run a ton of nodes, keep those up, have a proprietary monitoring system that's rule-based alerting, as well as it's essentially a self-healing platform with AI operations that will take care of 99% of all operational errors, and anything that can't be self-healed will go to our global dev team for immediate remediation. The main focus is node management. Right, but then we do have a really big focus with our API gateway and API endpoints, right? So HTTP or WebSocket endpoints. You can come to our website at InfStones.com. You can grab a free tier, which I believe is up to a million requests per day, and then it kind of scales up from there. So that's a public endpoint. We can also do a private endpoint. Really, how we work with a lot of blockchain native companies, right? Layer ones. We will participate in their testnet. Generally, they're incentivized, and then we position to be a validator at Genesis. Really try to work strategically long term with our layer ones and blockchain native companies to grow with them over time. So get in there at Genesis, and a lot of times they'll come back and ask us to run an RPC cluster for them that's highly performant and scalable, so that their community has something reliable to use to be able to query or submit transactions. We're focused more on B2B, right? So people see Web3 development platform, and a lot of times they will think that we have developers, kind of a developer as a service or like outsourcing. We don't do any of that. We do not build apps. We do not write smart contracts, right? We have some smart contracts integrated into our platform that helps to kind of batch some of these nodes so we can scale a bunch of nodes at the same time. But outside of that, we are focused, we're purely infrastructure. We're really focused on this baseline infrastructure node management to keep everything up and running. Right now, we have just over 80 different blockchains integrated to our platform today. By the end of the year, we'll probably closer, if not over 100. And that's all based on customer demand. We don't do a field of dreams, if you build it, they will come type of approach. It's from our institutional clients and from our staking clients, as well as our exchanges that come and say, hey, can you guys run this? We have X amount of token we'd like to stake. What can you do for us? So if there's a protocol that's not integrated into our platform, it's generally a 1 to 2 week process to get that up and running, depending on the data set. After that, we keep the latest binary and data set with every single protocol. So if we need to spin up new nodes, it's just a really quick process to sync the latest blocks, and then you're up and running.